on the pre-grid. Like we were saying with those times, we've already seen drivers be very quick in their sessions, but they need to get those times in sooner rather than later, because speaking with some drivers, reports from down there in Park Ferme after time qualifying, but those tyres, they come in a little bit later on in the session. So we're starting to see the drivers go out a little bit earlier now, because they're restricted. How many laps these tyres need to do? Well, at the moment, with the guys not fully checked up, we've not seen any signs. We've only seen the first out lap going out, that's well over 1 minute. So we're still not seeing any times. That's Manuel Marquez, and unfortunately for Manuel Marquez, he's just been caught up now in a train of cars that have just left the pre-grid. As you mentioned, he's looking back in the Kart looks like he's speaking to our last pole sitter. How's it looking down there? Yeah, I think everyone's quite comfortable with the conditions at the moment. They're in the rhythm now of these qualifying practices. Shame there for Manuel Marquez, who is a real star, wasn't he, last time out for an FI karting event, the final round of the European Championships in Kristianstad, and took a few people by surprise, I think ourselves included, on that weekend. No one's going to be surprised by anything that he does now, and I think that's one of the reasons. The second they see a threat like Miguel in terms of qualifying form go out there, no. You're not going to see that one this time, man. They'll send it all out there. Yeah. That's part of the game. So, still that 56.703. Time to be from our second on pole position. Going to be clean now for the drivers to get into this rhythm. James Adekoshiada is keen to see how he gets on. And another driver who, in preparation for this World Championship, has done some racing in Great Britain. Has done a few rounds of the British Championships. It's a big cost, but I think they've been a bit of a tough introduction to how things have been racing. On last weekend, and the time which all come together are inside, so exactly that, but we'll have to see if we can split that pace down to because the time weekend was fractionally slower, despite the fact that we had some relatively conditions last weekend, but then here again, we're starting to see much lower temperatures in today. Adekoshiada is currently pushing to the top, 57.5 miles per hour, very quick time, and it is the time to start out there. That was second margin again, so again, they've only lapsed in straight away and is benefiting from it. And Manic currently switched on its own rival. Sonatu from Authority 9, Superpan Coffee rounding out the top 10. But again, Adekoshiada is going purple in sector 1, showing that pace that he had previously is now shining here at the FIA World Championship. Yeah, he's got himself in a good position to prevent currently around 22nd and 23rd place. Martinez who won so Valdargent time earlier on in the season. Star, he's been very quick and really focused about my own karting events so far in 2024. That's pretty well going to the top of the karting. I know he was so overjoyed the drivers of Great Britain in this year's FIA Karting Academy Trophy. 15 seconds to go. Now the big lap times are coming in. Rudolph goes to the top, 56.855. That's pretty good. Aston Sharp goes P2. Who's looking quick out there in the section? The whole line is not too fast. Another racing driver at the sharp end, so again we're seeing that pace coming in. Checker Black has gone out there, first time's coming in. Krutov cannot improve the time, so Berger does it. James getting nice behind it, does improve his time, but it's not fast enough to beat Room 1. How did he go on a lap there? The 377 is that racing driver who is looking quick out there.